Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add more columns in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Google Sheets, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding more columns in Google Sheets is a straightforward and easy process that could give you practical purposes which will enhance data organization, analysis, and presentations. As your dataset grows or evolves, adding more columns allows you to accommodate additional information without cluttering existing columns. Now, for example, if you wanted to add more columns at here, it's really a straightforward process because here, just select the column, right click. You see, you have an option to insert one column left and one column right. Now, to see the changes, I'm gonna put in some text here, like this one for now. I'm gonna edit that. Now, again, you can insert one column left or insert one column right. You see? Now you can also add this one if you want to copy that, and of course put it here and copy the same column if you wanted. All right, so it's a very straightforward process. But the thing is, if you wanted more columns, right click and you see if there's going to be a plus button here. Now if you wanted to add multiple columns here, all you're going to do is hover. You need to select the columns that you wanted, and of course click insert 4 columns to the left. You can also insert 4 columns to the right. All right, it's a very straightforward process. Now I'm gonna delete this specific image for now, and let's work forward in this section so it's a lot easier for you to do. All right, now again here I'm gonna put in some color so it pops out. I'm gonna make it red. Now again, all I'm gonna do is you can insert one column, also one insert column to the right depending on your preference. And again, all you're gonna do is select all these and of course insert 3 columns left and insert 3 columns right. All right, so that's basically how you do it. Now the idea is adding more columns in Google Sheets supports comprehensive data management, analysis, and presentation. Of course, it enhances the utility and usability of your spreadsheet, making it a powerful tool for organizing and analyzing visual data effectively. A well-organized columns enhances overall spreadsheet organization and workflow streamline data management tasks. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.